Okay guys, so now we are out here and we're going to go ahead and put this stainless steel bar together. We're going to attach it to the backsplash of our stainless steel outdoor kitchen here that we're setting up. So with no further ado, let's get to it. Okay, I wanted to bring you on a close-up here. So as you can see, this is the clear silicone here. And basically what you want is for it to be hard to the touch. So basically, when you touch the silicone, it should not be sticky, or you shouldn't see any residue on your hands, or on your fingers if you will. And that way you know, or I should say, that way you know that the silicone is cured. So you want to get that nice and cured. That way this particular stainless steel plate will be able to hold the magnetic bar and all the weight that you put on it in the future when you're ready to use it. This is our magnetic steel bar here, or I should say magnetic stainless steel bar, okay? And it is by Modern Innovations. And we're simply trying to give you an honest review as to how this magnetic bar performed. Okay, once again, as we mentioned before a few minutes ago, you know, it's well built, it's fairly heavy, it's maybe about ½ an inch thick, okay, and it is 17 inches in length, okay, if we did not mention that before, okay, and these come in different sizes, by the way. So this is our stainless steel plate here. It's fully attached to our stainless steel countertop backsplash here, if you will. So we're going to attach one end, and here we go, and it is fairly strong, guys. The adhesion, once you attach this to the plate, you will feel that the pull is fairly strong. So we really like that. Okay, so now let's go ahead and attach some utensils, and we'll see how that performs. First, we'll start with the plain old stainless steel knife. Okay. So the adhesion is fairly strong. You have to actually use some force to pull it off, which I like. So that's perfect. If you're in the outdoors, this is basically a watermelon knife, if you will. So you can use it to cut fruits or anything like that. I mean, you can fairly use it for anything, but you know, we use it for fruits and you know, watermelons, of course. Okay, has a nice length to it. Okay, and we're going to see how it attaches to the magnetic bar as well. That's a fairly strong pull and a fairly strong adhesion here. Okay, bear in mind, guys, that it's a fairly painted surface, you know, food grade paint, if you will, manufactured. Okay, so this paint does not come off. Okay, so we just wanted to give you an idea as to whether you use kitchen utensils that are fully stainless steel with no coating. Okay, so this one you can consider it having a particular coating. Okay, but the adhesion is fairly strong as well. Okay, so far so good. Another look we wanted to give you basically is to what if we add the actual plastic protection, because this knife comes with a plastic cover. What if we add the cover to the knife? Now, will this still adhere to the actual magnetic plate? Let's see. Now, It does adhere, but the adhesion is not as strong, but it's fairly decent. I like it. Okay, 2 out of 2. So far, so good. And obviously, we have our spatula. We expected that to do well also. Okay, considering it is just metal on metal. Okay, we have our temperature gauge here. Okay, that did not do well on this aluminum pin here, but it did fairly well on the stainless steel gauge. And here you have some scissors here. Okay, and that did fairly well as well. We have our bottle opener. Okay. Now, considering that this bottle opener is aluminum, it did not adhere at all to our magnetic bar. Okay. Okay, guys. So now that you're seeing how our modern innovations stainless steel magnetic bar has performed, okay. Hopefully it was instructive to you. Hopefully the video brought some insight as to what you might find out there on the open market when it comes to utensil magnetic bars. Okay. Once again, we found this one to be fairly simple to install. It worked great for our setting, and the function, durability, it's built in a way where we believe it will last a long time. And thank you for visiting our channels here at Joe for Interiors, Honest Reviews. Until next time, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up if you like it.